No. Don't touch this. You can't. You're gonna break it.
Hello! Today we are going to show people like me and this man.
Sand?
The bucket that we used to do sand. You have sand. Here's the maker.
Uncle, this one is what? This one.
Onion.
And this one is
I don't know.
it's called Rentia.
Rentia.
Yeah, Rentia. It's like
Rentia.
onion.
Onion.
Jenny.
Jenny.
Yeah. Jenny.
Jenny.
Onion. Onion.
Onion. Ion. Jenny.
It's not Jenny.
No?
It's onion. Come to do killing with.
What's that?
You say you eat cocoa, you use this one. And everybody use what? Do you know what's that?
Banana?
I'm gonna tell you this one is banana. It's plantain.
Plantain?
Yeah.
You sure?
This one's obese.
No.
Then the tree name is what?
What for no plantain?
What are you doing? What's your picture on your phone? Ezra is for plantain. Yeah. Plantain now offer the plantain. And then why did I support? Hey, somebody's come to pump fufu. You're gonna pump fufu today. I say, what? You're gonna pump fufu today?
Me?
Yeah, you're gonna. This fufu. This one is onion and what's the name? Ginger and garlic. You come to do it too. And video yourself. Do it.
No. Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
You sure?
You are doing fufu. It's fufu.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
You sure? There's no progress.
No. Hey, Uncle Danny.
Oops. Not bad.
You know what Uncle did? Uncle found this thing. Hey, good job. Come on, with this old man. If you go, you help grandma to pump fufu. You know how to do it now, so you help grandma to pump fufu.
These little motherfuckers keep 5 a.m. in the morning, so. You can help me? Can you help me? Yeah? Okay. Shh. Slow. You go this way, go that way. I think it was this guy right here. Get him. It's this one right here. That be causing all the noise in the morning. I'm gonna get you. Where you going? Huh? Where you going?
Monday is Eduarda. Tuesday is what?
Tuesday is Benada.
Benada. Wednesday is the Wukuda.
Wakuda.
Wukuda. And Thursday is Yawada.
Yeah, tell me Thursday.
Friday is Efiada.
Efiada.
Saturday is Memenda. And Sunday is Kwasida. So today is what?
Kwasida. Yeah.
Uncle, come and on it. Come and on it while you are running. It's like this. Come and do it.
It's on?
Bring it.
Put it on.
Hey!
I'm trying to kill me.
Me, I'm trying to kill you. No.
What is going on?
You're making up. Mommy, look at your boy, you. Bring it, bring it.
Here.
Yeah. And this one as well.
Oh, spoon.
It's okay. Yeah, give it to me.
Uncle.
No, I come to grab it.
Okay, come on.
That's really.
Put it down. I'm not.
Hold it.
Put the chicken down.
Hold it.
Wait.
Come. Wait, I can't take a picture of it. Look at your face. And hold the leg. The leg, hold it. Hold it. Look at it. See what you're doing?
Hold me like this and leave this one. I'm going to move.
No.
Leave this one.
No. I'm not stupid. Can we go?
Yeah.
Wait. I leave the hand. Why does it done? Why are you not stupid? Who is not stupid?
When she said, look,
I have been food in the uncle.
look at the face.
You won't do anything.
You see.
Where has it done?
It's gonna peck me, no?
You are running from chicken. Chicken.
They're fighting. It's so hot
We have intestine, we have herring, dry fish, we got tilapia, chicken, salmon, fresh, meat with intestine. We have okra, white okra, okra stew, pan soup, peanuts, butter.
Give me some Banku with
Those spices as well.
Chicken?
With the chicken? Oh, no, this is the chicken.
Yeah.
One chicken?
Maria says so.
This is 20.
That's fine. You don't want the biggest one?
No.
If you want me to mix it up, I can remove it. With that okra, 45. This soup, processing, or eat meat. Yeah, so this one.
What did I do before?
Light soup,
So good.
Say what it? How many hours yes you are?
So we just finished with all that shopping in Makola Market, Accra Center Market. Here is where you can use the bathrooms in this area. I think it costs like 25 cities. Yeah. How much? 25?